Hey everyone, welcome to the channel where we turn learners into industry ready developers. And I'm your coach, and in this series, we are diving deep into full stack Java from the very basic to building real world applications. Right. So here you see the roadmap of for full stack Java developer. Right, where we'll start with the fundamental. Okay, so if you see that we'll start with the fundamental here, then we have mastering in Java, we'll do the database management system, backend development, front end, RESTful APIs that we can create. We'll do the versioning like a GitHub repository, how we can collaborate, how the developers will collaborate with each other. Okay. And we'll do the testing part also like JUnit, Mockito, the DevOps and deployment part we will be covering like Docker, Jenkins. Okay. And here we will be learning about the cloud computing, soft skills, and collaboration as well. So this is a complete roadmap for full stack Java developer that each full stack developer should know all these things. Fine. So, like nowadays, it is very important for everyone just to know everything. So, we'll start with the core Java first. Don't worry. Okay. So, we'll move into the backend development also using Spring Boot. So, I will be teaching you complete journey of this full stack Java. Okay, where we'll also explore the front end technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, and how we'll try to connect, right, everything with the databases. So that also we'll see like H2 database, MySQL, MongoDB. Now you must be wondering, like, obviously there are so many series, why this series matters for you, right? So this is not just a theory. Here, every module which we will be covering, it will include the real world examples, right? Mini projects and interview ready concepts, all in one series. Okay. Now, whether you are a beginner or might be you are brushing up for a job switch, right? So this series will make you industry. So I'll teach you everything with a very simple explanation, hands-on coding, right? And you will also learn how things work internally. So not just how to use them, correct? And by the end of the series, definitely I'm sure that you would be able to create a full stack Java application. And obviously that you can also deploy it to the cloud. Okay. So without any further delay, please you may hit the subscribe button, and it would be better if you just grab your laptop also, right? So that you can do some practice, you can do some hands-on altogether. And let's start your journey to becoming a full stack Java developer.